I got sent these headphones, so let's take a look at them. Cool. All right, time to unbox. So first things first, I gotta take out this plastic. And now here we are. Oh, that's fun. I kind of like these. This is interesting. Oh, this is nice. So these are the Pop Clip wireless earbuds from SoundPEATS. They were kind enough to send me this, and I, doing a little unboxing here. Here they are. Feels pretty good. Oh, those look so interesting. Hear the difference. How do I put these on now? Okay, I had to remove this. Aha. And how do I... That's just it. That's how it goes. Right? Isn't that cool? It doesn't go in your ear. It just kind of sits there. I'm gonna have to try it.
Doesn't hurt. It hurts. I feel like when you have regular headphones in, it hurts. So that would probably not hurt, which is nice.
Yeah, it doesn't hurt. Instructions, important. So what comes in the box? I was thinking there was a wire. So what you gotta do is you gotta pop this out. On the top were instructions, and then in here is a charging cable, and that's about it. Nice, cool. So you get the charging cable. It is a Type-C charging cable. I'm very happy about that. And you just pop that in right here, and then you're good to go to charge. It does have, where was it? Here we go. It's got 30 hours of charge time, which is actually kind of crazy. So what it is it's 8 hours on the earbud and 30 hours with the case. Cool. All right, I'll give this a shot and I'll give it a try.
What do you mean 30 hours with the case?
The case is a charging case.
Oh, so it takes 8 hours to charge using that, and it takes 30 hours to charge?
It has 8 hours of battery life on the actual earbud, and then it's got an additional 22 hours of battery life in the charging case. And then you can charge the case and then go out and about and just have battery for 30 hours.
I see.
Takes about 15 minutes to charge for 3 hours, is what they say.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. Ooh, it comes with stickers. That's actually so fun. What the heck? It comes with stickers.
Put them on the suitcase.
Yep. So here they are a little bit closer, and honestly, these are pretty great. Like, they look very different than what you're probably expecting, but for on-ear earbuds, like, these are solid. I've never tried on-ear headphones before, and like, they're light, they clip on, as they kind of say. It's pretty comfortable, and it's pressure free. It's pretty good. I wear glasses, so I actually quite like these, and the sound quality is actually very good. Kind of cool. I don't know fully yet 100% where I want to place it, but it's cool. And it sounds pretty decent. What do you think about the sound?
Yeah, sounds great.
Yeah. What I like about it is, like, you can just have a conversation with someone and, like...
Well, you only have one in.
No, I know, but, like, in general, even when I have both in, you can just speak normally and hear yourself because it's not in, right? So it's not blocking anything. Hannah brought up a very good point. That they look like earrings.
You could mistake them for earrings.
Yeah, look at that. Wow. All right, now that I've actually been wearing them for a decent period of time, they're comfortable. Like, they're really light. There's no real pressure or anything like that. There's no pain. Like, these are good. I could wear these for a very long time and be good with them. Like I said, very light. What my favorite part of them is, really, is the fact that you can hear yourself with no problem. Like, when you're wearing headphones and you can kind of, like, you hear yourself, but you know what I mean? Like, there's a blockage. You know that there's a blockage and it sounds weird to talk. These are perfectly fine. There's literally zero issue. I think these are probably perfect for out on the go when you're outside and actually need to hear things. Like, if you're walking around the city and, want to hear cars, for instance, or... if somebody wanted to come up to talk to you and you want to be able to have that conversation, these are good for that. Sound quality, a lot better than what you would probably think. because they're not in your ear. But you know what? They're great sound quality. I actually really like these. So again, thank you, SoundPEATS, for sending these out to me. And here's what they did for me, very kind of them. There's actually a discount link in the description if you're interested in taking a look. I think it's like 25% off or something like that. I don't know if it expires or not, but hey, if you're thinking about getting them, feel free to hit the link and comment down below if you try them out, and let me know. But subscribe for more and let me know if there's anything else I should go take a look at.